Now I wanted to talk about a relay, basically a white Rodgers relay. And before we can talk about relays, we need to talk about switches first of all. We know that a switch is going to have power coming in, and then it's going to have power that's going to be going out of this one here. Now this is what they call a single pole, single throw switch, because power comes in here and it's going to go out here, so it only throws the power out one way. Sometimes you have what they call a single pole double throw switch, because it throws the power out two different places. So you have power coming in here, comes up here, can go out this way. When you bring the switch down, now power is going to go out on the other side. So you can control two things. Or let's say, for example, this can go to a green light and this can go to a red light. So whichever, but the point is, it comes in here and it's going to go out one or the other. The next thing is that along with a switch, that's one of the things that's in a relay, but along with a switch, the other thing that's going to be in a relay is going to be a coil. Now sometimes you may see a coil that's drawn like this. Sometimes it may be drawn like this. Sometimes you may see something like this. So power is going to come in here and then it's going to come out and it's going to go out like this, like that. So this piece right here is supposed to represent an iron core. This iron core, when you put power to this, it magnifies the magnetic field. So this is going to be basically a coil, but the iron core is going to magnify the strength of the magnetic field and it's going to make it stronger. It's going to make it seem stronger. So when we take one of these, well, sometimes also, they have just a circle like this. That circle, basically, it represents a load. And in this case, it's going to be a relay coil. But what we do is we go ahead and we use one of these symbols here. Let's say, for example, we have this right here. And this coil is going to be magnetically connected to that. It's going to be magnetically connected, and because of that, as soon as you put power to this, here it's going to generate a magnetic field and it's going to pull this down. Now, it's not electrically connected, but it's just going to be mechanically connected. So when this generates a magnetic field, it pulls this down. As it pulls this down, now you have power going to that other light we talked about. This coil can be either 24 volts or it could be 110 volts. It just depends on what the design of the relay is. Now, on this type of relay, the white Rodgers relay, typically this is going to be number 4 right here. This one here is going to be number 5, and this one here, let's say, is going to be number 2. So between 4 and 5, that's going to be what they call normally closed. Between 4 and 2, that's going to be what they call normally open, because it's in its normal position. As soon as you put power to this, now you have brought this down, and it's going to have power coming out of the normally closed. So you have normally open, normally closed. Energize it, power comes out of the normally open, because that has closed. Now this one here is going to be labeled 1 and 3. Typically these are the numbers you're going to find on these relays, but you need to look at the side of the relay and look at the wiring diagram so you can see what the numbers are and how they are set up. But this is just one of them. There are several types, and we'll get to some of those other ones another day. But I hope this helped. Again, my name is Julio, Aircon Academy. Make sure you like the webpage. Make sure you follow me on, on Facebook and on YouTube. Thank you.